Alright, up in the elevator at Macy's Westmoreland Mall, Greensburg, Pennsylvania. A 1993 Montgomery, which I suspect replaced the Haughton. This one has the EPCO chime replacement for the Montgomery Innovation Unit. Circular lanterns, 2. One. You can see kind of incandescent bulb in there. Door close button works. Cab view. Basic Kaufman's elevator cab from the 90s. Really any other maid company department store. Here are fixtures. Conventional, dissimilar, innovation, universal. I suspect in there is the key switches. Over here's your phone. 2. This one's a bit unusual. Door close doesn't immediately close when you push the button like most Mongies do. Kind of unusual. This has to be original from 1993. Almost this whole dang thing is. £2,500 too. Relatively tiny. There goes and that's it.